Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online class. Now, in the previous video we studied noun numbers, and there we studied singular number and plural number. Okay, what is singular number? It denotes a noun that denotes one thing or person, that is called the singular number. A noun denotes more than one thing or person, that is called the plural number. Okay, example boy, singular number example, boys, plural number examples. And we studied nouns that end with ch, sh, s, double s or x. We already studied nouns that ends with y, with the consonant. We add what we add, that we studied. We drop y and add ies. And nouns ends with y, vowel plus y, we add only s. Today we are going to start nouns that end with f, fe. Okay. So how we will make the plural noun of those words, those nouns. You can see example I have written here. Calf, half, knife, life. What is the ending letters? You can see lf. Sorry. F. Okay. So when we get the letter f, fe. Okay. So how we will make the plural nouns of those words, those nouns that we are going to study today. So last letter, last end letters, if we get f and fe, so what we do? We drop f and fe, and what we add? Ves. Okay, what we add? Ves. So here we f or fe, we just drop it, and what we add? Ves. Okay. So here calf will be calves. Okay. Half, half. Okay. So knife, knives. Clear? Life, lives. So as you can see, ves. So when we get ending letters f or fv, we drop f or fe if we get, and in place of f and fe, what we write? We add ves. You can see here ves everywhere. Okay. I hope this one is clear. Okay. Move to the next point. Okay, in some cases you can see nouns that end with f or fe. Earlier we dropped f and fe, and what we add there? We dropped f, fe, and we have added there ves. Okay. Now here some exceptions are there, as you can see. Last ending letters you can see f, fe here, but here we don't drop f, we don't drop fe. Generally with some of the nouns we put only s. So here we put only s. So here cafe, cafes. Cliff, cliffs. Roof, roofs. Gulf, gulfs. So in some of the cases on page number 29, you can see here, page number 29, just see. Some nouns that end f or fe form their plural by adding only s in the end. For example, brief, briefs. Cafe, cafes. Chief, chiefs. Cliff, cliffs. Giraffe, giraffes. Okay. Gulf, gulfs. Proof, proofs. So as you can see, some of the exceptions are here. Here also ending with fef, but we dropped in the previous video I told you, we drop f, fe and add ves. Okay. But in some cases we don't drop f and fe. Okay. Generally we put only s to make the plural nouns. Okay. Now, in some cases, some nouns that end in F, we make both. We make both. For example, let's see the another point. Some nouns that end in F, we make plural in two ways. We can make it in the two different ways. First is this, you can see here I have written the example hoof. Hoof, I have added here only S also, that is also correct. Another way, I dropped F and I have added here VES. Both ways are here. In the both ways we can write, we can make the plural. Okay. So this one is also correct and this one is also correct. Some exceptions are there. We can make in two ways. Okay. Hoofs, hoofs. Scarf, scarves. I have added here only S, and in the second one only I just dropped F and I have added VES. So there are two ways we can make the plural nouns of these words. These nouns. Here are some examples on page number 29. Dwarfs, dwarfs, dwarfs. You can see 29 page number. Hoof. Just see this one. Hoof. Okay. Here. Hoof, hoofs, hoofs. Scarf, scarf, scarves. I have already written. So these are the some of the exceptions, some of the nouns there we use. We can write, we can make two ways. We can make the plural two ways. Means by adding S also we can make the plural. We can drop here F and we can add VES. Both are correct. Okay, move to the next point. Let's see the another point. Nouns that end with O. Just see the examples I have written here. Bamboo, photo, video. So how we will make the plural of these nouns? We add only S. We add only S. Okay. So here by adding only S we can make this singulars plural. Okay. Bamboo, bamboos. Photo, photos. Video, videos, and many more are there. So when we get the last letter, end letter O, like bamboo, bamboos, we put only S. By putting only S we can make the plural nouns. Piano, pianos. Ratio, ratio. Rhino, rhinos. These are the another examples. Move to the next. Okay, so in the next topic, next point, we will see nouns that end with O. In this previous one, we studied noun that ends with O. We added only S. For example, bamboo, bamboos. Photo, photos. Now here also the ending letter is O. What is the last letter? What is the last letter here? O. But here we don't add only S. We add here ES. Okay. What we add here? ES. Okay. So we can make the plural of these words like that. Mango, mangoes. Potato, potatoes. Okay. Hero, heroes. Okay. Now as you can see here I have made plural. Now one more thing I want to tell you. Here again we will get last letter, ending letter O. Here again two ways are there we can make plurals. One way by adding S and another way by adding ES. Okay. So one example I am going to write here. So here just you can see last letter, ending letter is O, and In two ways we can make the plurals. First by adding es, and the second one by adding s only. Okay, so as you can see, mosquito last letter is O, buffalo last letter is O, but if we write mosquitoes by adding es or by adding s, both are correct and both ways are here, we can make the plural. Here mosquito, mosquitoes, you can see, buffalo, buffaloes. So here some exceptions are there where we can make plural in two ways, by adding s also and by adding es also. Clear? Move to the next. Okay, some singular and plural nouns we make it like that, as you can see and you know already. Here man, foot, louse. So here we are not adding s, es or dropping anything, nothing. We are not adding like that. We are not making the plural like that. We make the plural in this way: man, men, woman, women, foot, feet, louse, lice. Okay, tooth, teeth. Many more examples are there here. Goose, geese. Clear? So we make the plural nouns of some of the nouns, singulars, like this also. Okay. Now some nouns like child, we change into, what is the plural of child? Child is singular, and what is the plural of child? Child, children. Okay. Plural of child is children. I have added here R-E-N. So ox, oxen. So it is not necessary everywhere we add only s, es or ies. Sometimes with some of the singular nouns we make the plural in this way also. Here you can see many examples on page number 30 it is given. Now some nouns have the same form in both singular and plurals. Some nouns, they have the both singular and plural. In both cases they are same. For example, deer. For example, deer. Deer. Deer, we don't change deer into plural. Deer we use in singular also, deer. And when we write the plural example, there also we write deer. We don't add their s, deers. Okay. Deer we use in the singular also and plural also. Many examples are here on page number 30. You can see some nouns here. Some nouns have the same form in both singular and plural. Aircraft, aircraft, singular aircraft also and plural aircraft. Equipment, equipment. Basin, basin. Goldfish, goldfish. Okay, many examples are here. Sheep, deer, reindeer. So many examples are here. You can prepare on page number 30. You should know. Okay, this is very important to know. Those words, those nouns we cannot change in plural. Those nouns are same in singular and plural. We should know it. Only few are there, so we should know those nouns we cannot change into the plural. Those nouns, they always remain same in singular also and plural also. Here are some examples. We should know it. Clear? Some nouns have plural forms only. Some nouns, they have only plural forms. You can see name of the equipments like scissors, tongs, sunglasses, spectacles. Okay, like scissors. Okay, jeans, pants. Means it has the two part, means pant, okay, spectacles, shorts, okay, tongs, okay, goggles, scissors, so pajamas, tights, trousers. So these nouns we always write in plural. Okay, we always use, they have only the plural forms. Okay, they have only the plural forms. Some nouns are spelled and spoken like plural, but they have singular meaning. Okay, some nouns we will get, it seems when we pronounce those nouns, when we read those nouns, it seems and it sounds like that it is plural, but actually they are in singular. For example, mathematics. For example, mathematics. So, when we pronounce mathematics, as it seems, it sounds that is plural, but actually it is singular. Okay, it is singular. More are there like subjects, civics, physics, politics. Okay, measles, this is the kinds of disease, measles, mumps. These sounds plural, but actually they are singular. They have the singular meaning. Okay, they have the singular meaning. Clear? So I hope noun number is clear, and please revise everything, whatever I taught you, everything is given in the book. You just read all the pages there. Okay, don't only see the exercises, see and read all the page. Okay, whatever the explanations are given, that also you see and read. Clear? And these many singulars, plural, it is already made here and it is already given here. So please just read it many times, and you should know those nouns also we don't change in plural, they are remain same in the singular and plural both. Okay, we don't make it, those nouns you should know. Okay, and some of the noun like man, men, child, children, ox, oxen, that is the different way we make the plural number. Clear? Now look at here, page number 31. Okay, this exercise, write the plural forms of the following nouns. Write the plural forms of the following nouns. So this exercise I will upload, but you try to do it yourself, because all the answer you will find it here only. Okay, so do with the pencil. Okay, I will upload this exercise, and then you can match your answers, and whatever the wrong answers you can correct it. Okay, so first of all, try to do this exercise by your own. Clear? You can take the help of these plural, singular, it is already given here, just see. Okay, you can get it easily. So I hope this exercise you can complete it easily. Okay, so try to do it. Okay, try to do this exercise, and I will also upload this exercise on the school website. Okay, exercise B and C. Exercise B and C I will upload on the school website. So you have to do only exercise A, and whatever the answers if you don't know, please you can leave the space for that. This exercise you will do it yourself. If you don't know the answer of any one, you leave it. I will upload this exercise, then you can complete. Okay, first of all try to do it yourself. Now come to the next exercise on page number 32. Page number 32. See. Exercise B and exercise C on page number 32. Exercise B and exercise C I will upload. You can complete it. You can download it. Okay. So this exercise I will upload. You can complete it. Now exercise D also I will upload. And which exercise you are going to do? Again the very good and very good exercise here. E. Exercise E. Word game. Here. Find and circle the singular nouns of these plural nouns in the Great. As you can see here, it is given the plural nouns. We have to find from here singular nouns, singular number. Okay. So when we get the singular number here, we will underline or we will make the circle with the pencil. So exercise A and word game, I am giving you homework. Word game, exercise A, try to do. Okay. And if you don't know any answer, you leave it. Okay, no problem. Exercise B, C. I will upload exercise B and C. Exercise D also I will upload, and now exercise E, this you will do it. This one I will not upload, this one you will do it yourself. Okay? So soon you will get this all the exercises on the school website. Till then keep studying. Okay? Now I am going to start next lesson, that noun, the noun gender. Okay? So the new lesson, let's start the new lesson, chapter 8, the noun gender. So we already studied about the gender. So in this chapter we will study gender, masculine gender, feminine gender, neuter gender and common gender. First start with the masculine gender. As you can see, I have already written here the example. What is masculine gender? A noun that is the name of any male person or animal. Any male person or any male animal, when we talk about, that is called the masculine gender. That is examples, as you can see, boy, man, bull, horse, etc. Many examples are there. So what is masculine gender? Masculine gender, that nouns, it refers to the male person or male animals. Okay, masculine gender, it refers male person or male animal, male person or male animal, that is called the masculine gender. Okay, that is some examples I have written here: boy, man, bull, horse, uncle, brother, husband. Many examples are here: king, nephew, okay, dog, fox. All these are the example of masculine gender. Clear? So what is masculine gender? It refers to the male person, it refers to the male person or male animals, that is called the masculine gender. Some examples already I have written, that is uncle, brother, okay, nephew, horse, bull, etc. Okay, so I hope masculine gender is clear already. What is masculine gender? Okay, move to the next topic, that is feminine gender. Okay, okay, let's move to the next point, feminine gender. So what is feminine gender? Feminine gender, it refers to the female person or animal. It refers female person or animal, that is called the feminine gender. I have written here definition: a noun that is the name of any female person or animal, okay, it is called feminine gender. Example: girl, woman, aunt, cow, witch, etc. Many examples. It's mean what is feminine gender? It refers, feminine gender, it refers to the female person or female animals. Okay. For example, girl, woman, aunt, cow, bitch, many more are there. Sister, wife, queen, nun, niece, mare, okay, lady, duck, witch, vixen. Many examples are there. It is already given in your book. So many examples of masculine and feminine gender. Okay, and what is the feminine gender of those masculine gender, that we should know how to change it also, like boy, girl, brother, sister. Okay, so these are the examples I have written. I hope feminine gender is also clear. It is very easy. It refers to the female person or female animals. Okay, move to the next. So the next point is neuter gender, a noun that is the name of a lifeless object. Okay, lifeless object is called neuter gender, means non-living things. Okay, lifeless object which has no life. Okay, like pen, paper, fan, table, chair, book. Okay, and mobile, desk. Many examples are there which has no life. Okay, lifeless object, that is called the neuter gender. We keep those nouns in the category of neuter gender. So a noun that is the name of a lifeless object, that is called the neuter gender. Some examples already I have written. Okay, so I hope neuter gender is also clear. What is neuter gender? It refers to the neuter gender refers to the lifeless objects. Lifeless objects means table, chair, pen, sofa, fan, mobile. Okay, box, bottles. These have no life. No, these are the lifeless objects. So those lifeless objects we keep in the category of neuter gender. Okay, so neuter gender, we use a noun that is the name of a lifeless object. I hope neuter gender is also clear. Many examples here it is given of neuter gender. You can just read your book. You will get many examples of neuter gender. It's mean lifeless. Just we have to keep in the mind only the lifeless objects those lifeless objects we keep in the category of neuter gender. They are the neuter gender. Move to the next point. So just see the another one, common gender, a noun that is the name of a person or animal that may be either male or female. Its mean common gender. It refers both male or female gender. There we use common gender. There, that is called the common gender. For example, teacher. Teacher can be male also and female also. Male teacher also we say the teacher. Female also we say the teacher. So when it refers both male and female, that is called the common gender. Another example, parent. Parent, it can be father also or mother also. So that is called the common gender. Doctor, for male also we use doctor, for female also we use doctor. So these nouns, they come in the category of common gender. Clear? So what is common gender? Common gender refers to both male or female genders. That is called the common gender. Okay? A noun that is the name of a person or animal that may be either male or female is called common gender. Examples, teacher, parent, doctor, etc. Many examples are there in the book. In page number 36, you will find sometimes we use a common word for animal also. Okay? So, common words like here it is given goat, pig, sheep, swan. Okay? This is page number 36, you can see. So here you can see the use of common gender. Sometimes we use a common word for an animal and special words for its male and female. As you can see here are some examples of common noun, common word, common gender, masculine and feminine. Okay? So these are the some common gender. Clear? Okay. Now in this chapter, what you are going to study, what you will revise. So here, page number 34, page number 35, here you can see so many examples of masculine and feminine gender it is given here. we should know what is the female, what is, if it comes like that, change the gender, and you get the questions like nephew. Okay, nephew. So change the gender of nephew, that will be niece. Horse, mare, or maybe you will get mare. Change the gender of mare, you will write horse. So we should know the means what is the female gender and male gender, and prepare all this. Here it is given. Here it is given. Prepare it all. Okay. So here are some examples. Okay. Some feminine nouns, as you can see here, it is given. Okay. Some feminine nouns are formed by adding ESS to the masculine gender, like author, authoress, host, hostess. Okay. Lion, lioness. So some gender, some masculine gender, we make it by adding only ESS. In the first one we have completely changed, like man, woman, bull, cow. In the second one we have added only ESS. Okay, in this way also we make the feminine gender. Clear? But in some cases ESS is added after dropping the vowel of the masculine ending as, as for example actor. As you can see, actor. So we drop the letter O, then we have added here, okay, actor, actress. Tiger, tigress. Emperor, empress. Okay, many examples are here. Hunter, huntress. Prince, princess. So many, waiter, waitress. So many examples are here. Just you go through it. Prepare all the examples here. Read every day. What is the feminine gender of this, of author, authoress, host, hostess, stag, doe, horse, mare. We should know it. Okay, it can come in exam like that. Change the gender. Okay, change the gender and you will get the question like that. Horse, you have to change into gender. You have to change into horse is masculine gender. We will change into feminine gender, like horse will be mare. Okay, in the question you can get like that also, mare. Okay, now mare is feminine gender, we will change into horse. So that we should know, okay, what is the masculine gender of mare and what is the feminine gender of horse. Okay, so that we have to prepare it, because this is the only option, we have to prepare it. Okay, learn it with the spelling. Okay, because here in this case, actor, actress, like that, you can see this example. Okay, actor. So when we make it, that will be actress. Okay, that will be actress. Tiger, tiger, tigress. Okay, so O I have just removed there now, just you can see. So that we have to keep in the mind how, what will be the spelling, how we change into masculine gender or feminine gender or any gender if it comes. Okay, so we should know it. Now I will upload this exercise also, exercise A. On page number 36 you can see this exercise I will upload. You will do it in the book only. Okay, now again you have got one homework here, page number 37, exercise B you will do. Okay, word game exercise B, do it yourself. Clear? Okay, I hope easily you can do this exercise. As you can see here, first number A, actor it is given now, so we will see where is first number. Okay, so according that we will write the answer. First we will fill here. Okay, first we will fill here actor, actress. Okay, and then we will write it, the answer here. We will do this here with the pencil, you will do. Clear? So I hope this much, whatever I taught, this much is clear. So I will upload all the exercises of this lesson. So don't worry, but word game, puzzle game you will do. Do it yourself. I know you will enjoy when you do this exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.